Hello student, in this class we learn how to create this logo or icon design. In the left side I provide color with the color code. You can use these color code to pick same color. I show you how you can use these color code. So just double click on the fill color and here you can type this color code. So I type first color code, that is A5391F, and then click on the next text box. So you can find this color by using this code and then click on the OK button. So this color will come here. When you create another shape will create with the same fill color. First I delete this shape, so I press delete key and then create this circle first. So I choose ellipse tool, click and drag by using shift key. So a perfect circle will be created. This circle shape fill with this color, but we did not need this outline. So I go to outline option and then click on the none. So stroke will gone. Now I create a rectangle tool and then click and drag and create a rectangle and pick second color for this envelope. I think the size of this rectangle is little bit bigger. First I select both shape and then align from the horizontal and reduce the size little bit from left and right. Okay, now I create two cross line to break this rectangle into four pieces. So I choose line tool and then click and drag and press D key to fill default color in this line. I press D. So default fill color is white and outline color is black. Same as I create second line. Now I switch to outline mode and choose direct selection tool and place this line on the corner. I think it's on the perfect position. Okay, okay, and switch to GPU preview mode again and select these lines and this envelope. So first I select this envelope and by using shift key I select this first line and then select this second line. Now I click on the divide in the pathfinder. I click on this divide icon. So this rectangle break into four pieces. I show you in the outline view. So this rectangle break into four pieces. First I select this rectangle and then ungroup and click outside and select first part, and by using eyedropper tool I pick this color and by pressing Ctrl key I switch to selection tool. So I press Ctrl key and temporary I switch to selection tool and can select this second part, and now I pick this color. Now I create a letter, so I choose rectangle tool again and create a letter and fill with this color. Select this rectangle shape and by using shift key select this circle and then click again on this circle to lock the position and align from the horizontal. Now I select this rectangle and move in the downside by using control and open square bracket. Okay, now I create these text line. So I choose rectangle tool or you can also use line tool, but I prefer to use rectangle tool and create some lines here and fill with black color. So I choose this color and switch to move tool or selection tool and then create duplicate copy and then press shift key to align from the center and then press Ctrl D to repeat this step, and in the left side reduce the length. It's provide some variations. Now I select all the shape, and by pressing shift key I select this circle, so it will deselect, and then right click and choose group option. Group option is available here, so it's a group now. Now I create this shadow by using pen tool, so I choose pen tool and create first point here, and then second point. I think it's not created, so I click here and create a shadow. This angle should be same, and I fill with dark color, so I choose this color. Now I break this extra area, so first I select this shape, and then press shift key I select this circle, and then apply divide from the pathfinder tools. So this shape divide now. If I click outside and select this again, so first we have to click on the ungroup to ungroup this shape and delete this extra shape, and this shape break into two objects. So first I create a duplicate copy of this shape. So first press Ctrl C and then Ctrl Shift V for paste in place. Now two shape is on the same position. First I undo. I select first shape and this second shape and then unite. So it's merge, and the second shape is in the down order. So first I change the color. So I select this shape. By using eyedropper tool, I fill with this color and change the order. I show you in the outliner window. Second shape is here. So I select this shape, and by pressing Ctrl square bracket, I move down in the order, and same as I select this and move down in the order. Okay. So this logo or icon design shape is created with the very basic steps. I hope you learned how to create this icon.